Hello family, welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year. I pray that your new year is off to a great start. All right, so let's get down to business. So you know that I've been dyeing my hair probably for the last 3 years. And you know, after dyeing your hair so much that, you start to break down the hair and it's not as thick as I like it to be. So one of my consultants actually recommend that I use OLAPLEX. So she recommended that I use OLAPLEX Hair Perfector No.3. It states that it repairs and it strengthens all hair types. It's 100 milliliters, 3.3 ounces, and I got it from Sephora for $30. Yes, $30. And it's very, very small. Let's see, if you compare it to my phone case, you get the gist of it. Very, very small. Very small. All right, so on the back it says, before shampooing the hair, it's not a conditioner, it's a bond builder. It says use 1 time per week. Well, I'll probably use the entire thing because it's small and then the amount of hair that I have. It says for damaged hair, use it 2 to 3 times per week. Apply on damp towel, dried hair. Apply a generous amount from scalp to ends until hair is thoroughly saturated. Leave on for a minimum of 10 minutes. Rinse from hair for best results. Shampoo with OLAPLEX 4 and then condition with OLAPLEX No.5. So the only one I have is the OLAPLEX No.3, this was the only one that was recommended for me since it is a bond builder. So we'll see. Just want to thicken the hair back up. It's not as thick as I like it to be. I noticed the difference with dyeing. And this year I'm going to make it a year where I don't dye my hair as much. At least I say so. Don't dye my hair as much. I'll be using other color alternatives. We'll see. But anyway, OLAPLEX No.3, Hair Perfector, repairs and strengthens hair. So we'll see. I'll be back and I will show you what it looks like on my hair. Now we know we're not going to see results today from this product, so I would more than likely report back in about 3 to 6 months, and I'll show you what the hair is looking like and if I would buy it again. But anyway, I guess this is what happens when you dye your hair and then you get older, so whatever. All right, I'll be back. Okay, so product is applied to the hair. So I've had the product on for now about 5 minutes. It doesn't have a smell to it. It's very lightweight. Let me show you what it looks like, the consistency of the product. It's very, very lightweight, as you can see. Very thin. And it's a good thing I didn't use it all. I don't know if you can tell how much I used. Not about here. I could use it again in the near future. But this is what it looks like on the hair. It doesn't make the hair heavy or anything. I'm going to leave it on for another 10 minutes. And then I'm going to wash it out. I'm going to end the video here. Comment, like, subscribe. Have you ever used this product before? Let me know in the comments. And I'll see you on the next video. All right. Bye, family. family, I just want to step in and say, oh my gosh, after I washed my hair out, it was so soft. Oh my gosh, like a mini spa treatment for your hair.